PERT cram. English grammar conventions. Present perfect verb tense, past participle. 8th grade skill level, question 26. Me medicine, antidote your ignorance. Show some love and throw some bands on my Cash App. Cash App, hashtag, $, me medicine. Keep me fueled. I can continuously provide you with these builds, keep you in the know and up your knowledge game. Be sure to subscribe. English Foundation, Verb Tense, question 26. Complete the sentence with the present perfect form of the verb. The Women in Technology group blank $50,000 in scholarship funds, which will be made available to women who are interested in pursuing careers in technology. The task here is to shift the tense of raise to its present perfect verb form. The perfect tense describes completed actions. Another way of saying this is the perfect tense usually tells about something that has, had, or will have happened. To form the perfect tense, use a form of the helping verb to have with the past participle of the main verb. The past participle of a verb is usually the same as its past tense form. Its simple past tense form, that is. But sometimes the verb is irregular. The present perfect tense tells about something that has happened or has started already. It uses a present tense form of the helping verb to have, which is either going to be has or have. Note that has corresponds to second person singular subjects, and have will be paired with the first person singular pronoun I, the first person plural pronoun we, the second person singular pronoun you, and all third person plural pronouns. All right, so that might have been a lot to digest mentally. Check out these examples. The sun has broken through the clouds. Note that here, has is the second person singular form of the verb to have. Again, it agrees with its singular subject, the sun. Also notice that the main verb broken is the past participle of the verb to break. The past participle verb form of break is obviously irregular. The verb form has broken is the correct present perfect tense. Now check out another example. John and Erica have played the violin for years. Note here that have is the present tense form of the verb to have that is paired again with I, you, we, and all plural subjects. Here, our plural subject is John and Erica. So the present perfect tense have played correctly corresponds to its plural subject, John and Erica. All right, back to the original question now for a detailed solution. Again, the present perfect tense tells about something that has happened or has already started. It uses a present tense form of the helping verb to have, which is has for singular third person subjects. And in case you're wondering, an example of a singular third person subject is the isolated noun scholarship. When communicating from a third person point of view, you're basically acting as a narrator, and you mention the person, place, or thing you're speaking of by name, or you discuss the subject with pronouns like he, she, it, or they. And you're going to use have, H-A-V-E, for first person communication. This type of communication is from a speaker's point of view. It's also known as autobiographical communication. So you're discussing yourself. First person communication employs the use of the singular pronoun I, as well as the plural pronoun we. We is used when more than one person is discussing their self or their point of view in an autobiographical sense. And have is also used for second person communication when the speaker is directly addressing an audience of one or an audience of many individuals, whereby the you pronouns are used. So in second person communication, identify your subject with you, and you have the pronouns your as well as yours. And last but not least, have is also used for all other plural third person communication. So basically, when you're speaking about a person, place, or thing, but there's more than one, as in dollars. Here, we're discussing $50,000. Obviously, this is more than $1. So either form of the verb to have is then combined with the past participle of the main verb. And voila, we have the present perfect tense. According to this rule, has raised is the present perfect tense of the verb raise. The main verb raise is regular. Notice that the past participle verb form raised is the same as its simple past tense verb form, which is also raised. I'm highlighting this homogeneity because some tend to assume that the past participle verb form is always the same as its simple past tense verb form. This is true for most regular verbs and some irregular verbs as well. Moving along, we have preceded raised with the present tense form of the helping verb to have that agrees in number with the subject of the verb, the woman in technology group, a singular third person noun. Basically, with everything I've said, what I'm really trying to say is that has raised is definitely the correct present perfect tense verb form of raise.